Take a leap of trust and step into your new life at Lakeside, the best of all stays at Birmingham. This stellar abode offers a range of en-suites, where each room features a comfortable bed with pillows, a dedicated desk and chair, and ample storage space to store all your gear. Say goodbye to daily hassles with the on-site laundry room, bike storage facility, and a vending machine. And socialize with pals in the property common areas to make memories of a lifetime. But the best part is the inclusion of utility bills in the rent, making the stay super easy on your pocket. Also, with elite colleges like Birmingham City University and BPP University being a short stroll away, head home in between your classes and keep up with your productivity. Surrounded by amazing cafes and bars like Okeo Sushi Restaurant and Dixie Chicken Corporation Street, satiate your taste buds anytime you want. And minimize on your travel expenses like never before with the nearest bus stop, Nelson's being just a short stroll from the property. So what's holding you back? Your new life awaits you at Lakeside Birmingham. Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay today.